Hello students, today we learn parts of a plant and their functions. Plant has two main parts. The part of the plant that is under the soil, it is called root system. The part of plant that is above the soil, it is called shoot system. So, the main parts of plants are root system and shoot system. The root system of plant generally grow below the ground. They fix plants firmly to the ground. There are two types of roots, taproot and fibrous root. Taproot, the long main root that grows from the end of the stem and extend downwards with many small roots is called a taproot. Example, neem tree and mango tree. They have taproot system. Fibrous root, a number of tiny roots that grow downwards from the end of the stem are called fibrous root. Example, grass, wheat, onion, and rice have taproot system. Uses of roots. The roots fix the plant firmly to the soil, means it helps to stand the plant in soil. The roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. The roots transport and absorb water and minerals to the shoot system. Means root absorb the water and minerals from the soil and it transport to the stem. In some plants, the roots store the extra food produced by the leaf. Example, carrot, beetroots, radish. They store the extra food inside the root. The shoot system consists of the stem, leaves, buds, flowers, fruits, and seeds. The stem. The stem is the main part of a plant. It grows above the soil. The stem holds the branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Types of stems. Trees have thick and hard stems. The thick stem of a tree is called a trunk. Example, banyan tree. Now, shrubs have a thick, soft, and green stems. Example, rose plant. Herbs have thin, soft, and green stems. Example, mint. Climbers and grippers have a very thin stems and cannot stand erect. Uses of the stem. The stem carries water and minerals from the root to the rest of the plant. The stem supplies food made by the leaves to the other part of the plant. The stem keeps the plant in an upright position. The stem bears the branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits. In some plants, extra food is stored in the stem. Example, potato, ginger, and sugarcane. The leaf. Green plants prepare their own food with the help of their leaves. The leaf is called the food factory of the plant. Structure of the leaf. The leaf consists of the three main parts: a leaf blade, a main vein, and side vein. The flat, broad portion of leaf is called the leaf blade or lamina. The leaf blade has thin, long lines along its center called the mid-rib or main vein. The mid-rib has also many branches of smaller veins called side veins. The veins carry water and food to all parts of the plant. The leaf has many tiny holes called stomata. The plant breathes through the stomata. Uses of leaves. Leaves prepare food for the plant in the presence of sunlight. Using the following: first, water from the soil; second, carbon dioxide from the air; third, chlorophyll pigment. The process photosynthesis. A leaves gives out oxygen and uses carbon dioxide. In some plants, extra food is stored in the leaves. Example, cabbage and spinach. Some leaves are used for medicinal purpose. Example, tulsi and neem.